Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to log out of other devices on cache. Whether you think someone else might be using your account or you just want to make sure your login is secure, I've got you covered. So let's get into it. Before you jump into the steps, your why is important. Cache doesn't show a list of active sessions like some apps do, but there is a way to sign up out of all other devices and keep your account locked out. Especially useful if you logged in on a friend's phone or lost access to a device. Cache doesn't have a direct logout of all devices buttons, but what you can do is change your account password or PIN. This will instantly sign out all sessions except for the one you are using now. Uh, Open the cache app, tap your profile icon in the top right, then go to privacy and security, tap on change cache pin, or go to your linked email and change your password if you signed in using email and password. Once you change your PIN or password, any devices that was logged into your account before will be kicked out and asked to sign in again. After you've done that, just go to your recent activity in the app and tap the clock icon on the home screen to show your see your payment history. Make sure there's nothing you don't recognize. If anything looks off, reach out to Cache App support immediately from within the app by going to support in your profile settings. To keep your account safe moving forward, turn on require PIN or for payments, enable Face ID or fingerprint if your phone supports it, and avoid logging into your Cache App or shares on public devices. And that's it. The best way to log out of other devices or Cache App and keep your account safe. It's quick, easy, and definitely worth doing too if you have used someone else's phone or think your account might have been accessed. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have got any questions.